We will learn how to preserve peaches today. We will need 200 milliliters of granulated sugar, 1 liter of water, and 3 kilograms of peeled, pitted, and chopped peaches for this recipe. The peaches should not be overripe, and they should be cut into wedges. Let's start by peeling the peaches. We have shown them ready for the process, but for demonstration purposes we'd like to show you how to prepare one. After peeling the peach, divide it into two and cut it into wedges like this. We will start the preserving process with the jars. As you're filling the jars with peach slices, make sure you press down on them to fit as many as possible. You can prepare delicious cold stew peaches in winter with these. We are adding a tablespoon of granulated sugar on them now. You do not have to if you'd like to avoid processed sugar, but it tastes nice and sweet with a little bit of it. Let's top it up with some water. The water should be at room temperature. Now let's remove the air from inside the jar if there's any. You just need to place a knife and move the peaches around. You will see bubbles coming up. If it looks too full, you can remove some of the fruit. Let's now wipe and clean the rim of the jar and put the lid on tightly. Let's now place it inside a pot of water. Any deep pot should work for this purpose. The jars should stay underwater, so make sure to fill the pot until the water level is above the lids. After boiling them for half an hour, let's remove them from the pot and double check their lids. Let's make sure the lids are nice and tight so that they are vacuumed nicely. And now let's turn the jars upside down on a flat surface and leave them there for a day. It's a very simple process to preserve fruits this way, so make sure you try it as well. You can keep them for many months in a dry and cool place. Enjoy!